Okay, then if the linctus are prepared with the water and sorbitol as a vehicle, that time there is a very necessary to add some preservatives like chloroform and benzoic acid, right? Chloroform and benzoic acid means these two kind of preservative are preferred for the water or sorbitol vehicle, right? Water and sorbitol. If we use a water or sorbitol as a vehicle, that time we can use the we should use the chloroform and benzoic acid, right? Then our storage of linctus, then stored in well closed airtight glass bottle with a screw closer, as like our as like our elixir. It also similarly, on the similar way, we have to store it, right? By using the glass bottle with a screw cap, right? And closed, airtightly closed, then keep in cool place and protected from the light. Or sometime also umbered color glass also used, right? Umbered color means light sensitive drug are basically stored in the umbered color bottle, right? Umbered color bottle. That's why it's very necessary to keep away from the light and keep in cool place also, right? So it is all about our liquid intended to be internal use, right? As like our as like our syrup mixtures, right? So this four kind of preparation we have covered it, right? We have completed, right? Liquid used for internal administration. So these three four kind of liquid are generally used internally: mixtures, syrup, elixir and linctus, right? So we have covered it. Okay, now focus on our other kind of preparation, right? So let's go. Then we are going to see the this kind of preparation, that is liniment and lotion, and this is the liquid to be applied on the skin. Means these also are a monophasic liquid dosage form, right? But it is a applied on skin or skin surface or externally, right? Externally application for the external, right? This kind of preparation we are not taking internally, we are applied on externally or administered externally. That's like a skin also, right? Skin is our external part. So it is a monophasic liquid preparation meant for external use, like as I said, applied on skin surface to get a local effect, right? To get a local effect means not not to whole our body, right? Not to whole our skin surface, but it is applied specific place of our skin or part of our body, right? That's why it's gives a local effect. Means suppose we need to apply it on our hand, surface of hand, or surface of skin, surface of hand, right? That is a skin surface of hand. That time we applied on that particular area and get a local effect, right? मतलब सपोज एक्सटर्नली हमें स्किन सरफेस पे सपोज करो हमने अपने हाथों पे लगाए, तो वहाँ पे जितने जगह पे हम लोग लगाएंगे वहाँ ही हमें सिर्फ इफेक्ट मिलेगा, इसलिए इसे बोला जाता है लोकल इफेक्ट, राइट? लोकल इफेक्ट. So in which we will cover these two preparation like liniment and lotion. So let started with the liniment. So it is either liquid or semi-liquid preparation applied on skin surface with a friction or rubbing. Means liniment is a either liquid or semi-liquid. Okay, means fully its nature is like a fully liquid or sometimes semi-liquid. Means semi-liquid means sometimes viscous, some kind of viscous preparation, right? Viscous preparation. And this liniment applied directly on the skin surface with the friction and rubbing, means small massage, right? Small, with a small massage or some friction. with any kind of, we can also use the any kind of means with the help of our hand or some devices we can apply the liniments with the friction or some rubbing, right? Then actually it may be alcoholic or oily solution or emulsion, means it is a liniments are basically prepared with alcohol, right, or sometime oil or alcohol, or sometime it is sometime it is prepared as like emulsion also, right? So alcoholic means it contains some alcohol and also some oil also. In alcoholic form of it, alcohol help in penetration of drug into a skin and increase its counter irritant and rubefacient action. Rubefacient action. Okay, if there is a use of alcohol, uh, if you use the alcohol, right, or if the liniments are prepared with alcohol, that time it's help like a penetration of the drug, means it can help by means it enhance the penetration power of our drug into the skin, also increase the counter irritant, right? Counter irritant means there is on kind of substance which cause the surface irritation. Due to that, it relieve the our irritation in skin, right, or pain. Then rubefacient, this is the one kind of action that is that means that produce a redness to our uh, surface of skin. That's why our drug also gives a very fast action, or sometime the our drug can penetrate throughout the skin surface, right? Means for the treating the for the relieving the irritation, there is a use of counter irritant, means it's produces some other irritation for minimizing the irritation sensation or pain, right? Then in oily form contain a arachis oil which help to spread easily liniments on the skin, means if our liniment contain a ointment, that time it help the spreading of liniment, means a liniment are applied on the surface by rubbing or friction. That's why there is a need of spread of that liniment. That's why oil like arachis oil are used. Then analgesic, rubefacient, smoothing and counter irritant or stimulating properties drug are prepared in this form, right? Means analgesic means which reduce the pain, rubefacient also reduce the redness of your skin, then sometime then soothing which provide a cooling effect, then counter irritant for the relieving the irritation due to inflammation, then sometimes stimulating agent also used and given by this liniment form, right? Means this liniment are applied topically, means specific per a specific area of our skin surface, right? Means analgesic, rubefacient, then soothing, counter irritant or stimulating properties drug are dispensed in liniment form also, right? The liniment should not applied on the broken skin, it causes serious irritation, right? It causes serious irritation, means we need to avoid the application of liniment on the broken skin like a wound or any cut, right? We should not apply it, that liniment on broken skin, right? Because it may cause serious irritation also, right? That's why this is the one kind of caution, right? Then container means for the storage purpose or dispensing purpose, means what kind of container we should use, right? Like dispensed in colored fluted bottle in order to distinguish from preparation meant for internal use, right? Means always there is a suggestion for container whenever we dispense the liniment, right? That time colored fluted bottle we should use, right? because in order to distinguish the preparation meant for internal use, like right, मीन्स यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि जो कंटेनर है उसे यूज़ कलर्ड फ्लोटेड बॉटल में इसे डिस्पेंस करना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमें उसे फ़र्क करता है या फिर डिस्टिंग्विश कर सके हम लोग जो प्रिपरेशन इंटरनली यूज़ करते हैं, राइट। मीन्स में कन्फ्यूज़न ना हो इंटरनल प्रिपरेशन के साथ, इसलिए इसे कलर फ्लोटेड बॉटल में डिस्पेंस करने को बोला जाता है। देन देयर इज़ अ लेबलिंग. Label must be stated that for external use only and shall shake well before use, right. That is a labeling statement of for a liniment. Means liniment must stated this statement like for external use only, because we are know that preparation are not taken internally, right. That's why there is a very necessary to write some statement or instruction that is for external use only and shake well before use. Then label also included that not to apply it on the broken skin or open wound. Along with above instruction, there is also need to add one caution like that liniment should not applied on the broken skin or open wound, right. Otherwise it causes serious irritation. So this instruction should be labeled on the liniment, right. Then storage, then stored in well closed airtight container, keep in cool place, right. Means it should be suggested, it is suggested that liniment should be stored in well closed airtight container, and always keep in cool place, right. So this is small information or small theory about the liniment, right. I think you are understand it, right. Then lotion, this is our second preparation from the liquid to be applied on the skin as like liniment, right. It is also applied on the skin, right. It is a monophasic liquid preparation applied externally on the skin without friction. I think you all have experience of lotion also, right. Means this kind of preparation are applied without friction or rubbing, right. Without friction or rubbing. Application is done by some absorbent material such as cotton wool or gauze soaked in it. Means with the help of some cotton wool or some absorbent material, with the help of absorbent material like a cotton wool or gauze soaked on it, right. With the help of some absorbent material like cotton wool, the lotions are applied without friction, right. Then lotion used for a local action as an antiseptic, soothing, cooling or protective effect, right. Means this kind of properties of drug, this kind of drugs are dispensed in the whenever we wanted to dispense lotion, generally it included this kind of drugs, protective, then antiseptic, soothing, cooling effect, right. Then sometime alcohol is added in a aqueous lotion to get a cooling and soothing effect. Also sometime for the cooling and soothing effect, alcohol also included it, right. Then there is some example, that is calamine lotion, then salicylic acid lotion, right. These are the some example, and these preparation are applied externally on the skin surface without friction. It is applied with the help of cotton wool, right, and so or some absorbent material, right. Then container, dispense in the colored fluted bottle in order to distinguish from the preparation for external use. It is also dispensed in the same way, like by using the colored fluted bottle in order to distinguish from the internal used preparation. Level should be stored that. So I think this is the enough for our today's lecture, right. We will discuss our next portion to our next lecture. So thank you very much. for giving your